In this video, we are going to see how we can configure the read receipts option in Outlook so the sender can get the feedback on whether their emails are read or not. So what we need to do is just open up the Outlook, and on our right we have this gear icon on the top right. Just click there, and on our left we see a couple of functions, but from here we will choose mail, and again we have a lot of options within mail feature, but we will choose message handling. And if we scroll down a little bit, here is the read receipts option. It's set to ask me before sending a response by default. So if you don't want to send any kind of response to the read receipts, you can set it to never send a response. And similarly, we have the mark as receipt settings. And these are some of the basic settings of the inbox, like mark displayed items as read as soon as they're selected, and that's the setting that is default for most of the emails, that whenever you open a particular email, it is automatically marked as read. The other option is mark displayed items as read after 5 seconds. You can choose that as well. But here I prefer to choose always send a response. So that way you can get all the status and reports. And from here you can choose any settings, but I prefer to keep it default. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can enable the read receipts option in Microsoft Outlook. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.